the start, I mentioned that some of you will eventually want to run this on your own hardware instead of a cloud VPS. This is where we will cover that move. Reasons you might eventually want to move are you like tinkering, you want zero recurring cost, you prefer owning the machine outright. All of those are valid, and it's a real migration path, not a dead end. Here's a quick tour of how the move works, though my honest recommendation is start on the cloud VPS today, get comfortable, and migrate once you actually know what you want yours to do. In Telegram or the OpenClaw dashboard, type create a full backup. Once it's done that, you can simply say, provide me with instructions on how to migrate to a new hardware system using that backup as the base configuration. OpenClaw will provide you with a detailed list of instructions, including commands to run on your local machine, where you want to set up your OpenClaw instance. You can simply copy those commands and paste them into the terminal. When you're ready to actually move, the migration itself is pretty straightforward. The full walkthrough lives at docs.openclaw.ai/install. Fair warning though, this is where the terminal makes an appearance, which is part of why I held off on this until last. Once OpenClaw is up and running on your new box, importing your backup is a single command from those docs. It takes about a minute. A few things won't survive the move though. That's by design, and it's actually good security. You'll need to reissue the Telegram bot token through Botfather, reauthorize your Google account through the OAuth flow we did earlier, and your LLM API keys need to be added to a local environment variables file. Essentially, anything that's actually a credential to a third-party service has to be reissued. It's kind of like when you buy a new computer and you have to start by logging into all of your accounts. The computer doesn't have them saved yet. The agent itself, though, that comes across whole. All of the workspace and memory files, every skill you installed, every rule in agents.md, the persona you tuned, and every automation you set up. Your agent on the new hardware is the same agent, it just woke up in a new house with new keys.